For most of human history, daylight dictated the limits of productivity. When the sun disappeared, so did industry. Gaslighting existed, but it was unstable, expensive, and often explosive. Cities needed something safer. Partially deaf and intensely focused, Edison believed every problem surrendered to enough experimentation. He established one of the world's first industrial research laboratories, treating invention as organized process. Electricity generates heat. Most materials burned immediately when current passed through them. By removing oxygen from the glass bulb, Edison slowed combustion. Carbonized bamboo endured long enough to become commercially viable. A light bulb alone was useless. It required centralized electricity production and safe transmission. Edison built power stations to supply entire neighborhoods simultaneously. Electric light extended work hours, reshaped economies, and transformed night into opportunity. To get more, subscribe to AeyeTube YouTube channel.